This is 5 things I'm going to change about my hurricane-powered Dodge Magnum now that Roadkill Nights is over. Number 5 is going to be this dent. We're going to do a full front end replacement for the Gen 3 Charger front end. Number 4, we're going to add our mirrors back and our window trim and make this thing daily drivable again. Number 3, we're going to wire up the headlights and the taillights as well as the blinkers and the brake light function. Got to get her back on the road. Number 2, while we were at the hotel, we ended up having to bypass our pressure regulator because we didn't have enough hose after we relocated our pump. And we had to relocate our pump due to a drop in fuel rail pressure on the hit. Easy fix, but we're going to get our fuel pressure regulated again. Number 1, and in the name of safety, we're going to be upgrading these brake lines to some steel braided brake lines. That way we don't have to put so much leg into it when we want to come to a stop.